L3 watch battery repair expansion board. Operation demonstration. Tested with this iPad Pro 11-inch second generation. Connect the LBPC version to the machine and you can see that the battery health is 88.3%. Disconnected. Shut down. Remove the screen. Remove the motherboard. Remove the battery. Take out the pound L3 repair instrument. Plug in L3 watch battery repair expansion board. Will automatically jump to the relevant page. Snap the tablet battery onto the expansion board. Automatically read data. Click Rev. You can freely modify the battery health. Modify battery health successfully installed test. Power on. Connect the LBPC version tester to view. You can see that the value displayed for battery health is consistent with what we modified. The battery health of the watch can also be modified.